people, I would say, have different definitions of reliability, and kind of depends on what space you're in and, you know, what you've done in the past and what you hope to do in the future. To you, Rob, what does reliability mean to you?
Well, so I have my reliability mug. I don't know if you can see it. Maybe I can move it close.
Yeah. Okay.
No, but so it's a mug with the actual equation for what reliability is.
All
You
right.
know, so that's obviously reliability. If you're looking at it from a math standpoint, it's essentially the probability that your equipment will succeed over this given period of time. So you have to understand what's the function, how does it functionally fail, what's the operating environment, and then what's the duration. So that's the like traditional, if you Google reliability on Wikipedia, that's what that is.
Yep.
To me, I'm more, I guess I'm more along on the asset management side of it. And I really just think is, how do we add value to our company, and how do we make our equipment run more effectively so we can do that?
Yeah.
Like a lot of what I talk about in reliability, like some people will call that continuous improvement,
Yeah.
or they'll call it, like whatever technique you use and whatever technique you really, whatever background you come from. At the end of the day, we want to make more money. We want to run safer operation. We want to have less bottlenecks. We want to be more environmentally friendly. Like all these things are important. And, if you're using RCM or you're using Kaizen or Six Sigma, like I don't really care.
Yeah, it's always about improving, being better. And I think it's actually very interesting that you bring up this point of, there's so many different terminologies, whether it's process improvement, whether it's, you call it reliability, whether you even call it maintenance. Essentially, you're right. The bottom line is like, we are trying to improve. We are trying to be better. We're trying to make equipment, our entire business, run more effectively and efficiently. And I also feel that, maintenance reliability gets a bad rep for this idea of maintaining status quo, where really it's kind of the opposite of that, right? Like we're improving our processes, we're improving our day-to-day operations so that we can be better. It's not just about, maintaining status quo.
Yeah, and that's kind of a misconception. I also think a lot of us, we come from companies that, as a reliability engineer, you're reporting to the maintenance manager.
Mm-hmm.
And I think that that's where you get pulled into the day-to-day. The maintenance stuff is this has failed today, I got to bring it back to running.
Yeah.
Where reliability, we're in a business of what's tomorrow, what's next year. And I think that it's not just a maintenance thing. Like if we're getting into the design of the plant, we're getting into our storeroom operations, what type of equipment we're going to buy to maintain the function that we need. Like all these things, how do we even operate it? That's another big thing that we should be touching on.
Yeah.
These are not maintenance functions, but I would consider it, as a reliability person, I would consider it good things to do as a reliability engineer.